I've used both of HostSinger and HostGator, and in this video, I will share with you which one is the best for you. Thank you for supporting this work by using my affiliate links from the description below at no extra cost to you. And to thank you, I will give you access to my online university to learn many things, including how to use your new web hosting. Without any further ado, let's get into the details. Installing WordPress in HostSinger is simple. All you have to do is go to Auto Installer under Website, click on Select under WordPress, fill in your website credentials, click Next, then Install. There you have it, your fresh WordPress is ready to customize depending on your needs. Installing WordPress in HostGator is simple. All you have to do is click on Settings, go to Advanced, and log into your cPanel by clicking on Manage. Click on WordPress Manager on the left. To start the process, click on Install. Make sure to always use HTTPS. Select your domain name. Enter your username, password, email, then click on Install. And there you have it, your WordPress is installed successfully. To disable this coming soon page, just log in to your WordPress site and under caching, click on Purge All. Now visit your website and it should be all functioning. HostSinger allows you to create up to 100 email accounts, providing you with the means to look professional and be easily reachable by others. The process is straightforward, and once you finish setting up your email account, you can link your inbox to Gmail for convenient communication. Creating an email address on HostGator is straightforward. All you have to do is to log in to cPanel and under email, click on email accounts. Click on the blue button create, select your domain name, enter your username and a strong password. And for the optional settings, select unlimited for storage and click on create. To visit your inbox, click on check email. Wait for a moment and click on open. And that's it. This is your new email address inbox. In my experience and that of many others who have used HostSinger, fast loading is a noticeable and consistent feature. Despite being in the sector of affordable hosting, HostSinger maintains quick loading times. As demonstrated, my website on HostSinger loads quickly. After setting up my WordPress site on HostGator, I installed the Astra theme along with a template containing some content to mimic a real website. Surprisingly, the website loaded quite quickly during my browsing sessions. I used a tool called Pingdom to check how well the website was doing. It gave my site a B grade, which is like 90 out of 100. This was quite promising. Additionally, I ran the website through Google's Page Speed Insights, which provided scores of 70 for mobile and 89 for computer. Compared to other web hosting providers, HostGator performed slightly slower than HostSinger, but about the same speed as Namecheap and Bluehost. And compared to DreamHost, it was faster. Based on my findings, I am overall satisfied with the performance of my WordPress site on HostGator. To keep a copy of your work, HostSinger automatically creates weekly backups that you can download or restore from. When it comes to managing backups, HostGator makes the process simpler compared to some competitors. Unfortunately, automatic backups aren't included in my HostGator BB plan unless I pay for them. Even with the higher tier business plan, they're only free for the first year. However, I can still manually download full or partial backups and restore them from the cPanel. Compared to other shared hosting providers that offer easy automatic backups at a lower cost like Hostinger, HostGator's limitations on backups seem outdated. After considering HostGator's backup policy and my experience, I rate them a 3 out of 10. Customer support is top notch with Hostinger. The live chat support is available 24/7 and is quick to connect, providing great assistance. The quality of support I've received has been consistently excellent. There have been instances where they exceeded my expectations, such as restoring a database I had agreed to fully remove with the closure of my account. However, for tasks requiring heavy lifting, such as uploading a database that exceeds the size limit, they suggested that I pay one of their team members, which costs sometimes $20 and sometimes $40. Connecting to a support agent through HostGator's live chat was quick, earning them the second spot after Namecheap in terms of the time to connect. However, when I asked a simple question about tips to improve my WordPress site's loading speed, I had to wait for 10 minutes. It felt like they forgot about me. Even after the long wait, the answer I received wasn't satisfactory. Instead of providing useful tips, the agent only cleared the cache of my website on the server level, which wouldn't make a lasting difference. Compared to other hosting providers like Hostinger, DreamHost, or Namecheap, HostGator's live chat support falls short. It seems to be on par with Bluehost, possibly because they share the same parent company. Overall, my experience with HostGator's live chat support left me dissatisfied. If your website on Hostinger experiences a sudden surge in visitors, you don't have to upgrade your hosting plan. Hostinger provides a convenient solution. You can instantly increase your premium web hosting plan resources for 24 hours for free with just a click of a button.